Hello and welcome back to another nail video. In honor of October, I am going to try my hardest to do 31 days of Halloween this month. So I will be giving you a new set of Halloween nails each day, as well as a short spooky story. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe and enjoy the content. Willowbroke's Widow Curse. In the small, quiet town of Willowbroke, a dense forest loomed at the edge of the community. Locals spoke of eerie legends surrounding the woods, but none dared to venture too close. The most chilling tale was that of the Widow's Curse, a story whispered in hushed tones around campfires. As the legend goes, a reclusive widow named Eliza inhabited a decrepit cabin deep within the forest. She was said to have been obsessed with spiders, collecting them from all corners of the world. Her obsession turned dark as she began experimenting with venom, seeking a way to gain eternal life. One fateful night, a powerful storm raged through Willowbroke, unleashing torrents of rain that flooded the forest. Lightning struck Eliza's cabin, setting it ablaze. Desperate to save her precious spiders, she made a desperate plea to a sinister deity rumored to reside in the woods. In a flash of blinding light, her wish was granted. Eliza transformed into a monstrous spider-human hybrid, cursed to guard her precious arachnids for all eternity. From that day forward, anyone who ventured too close to the forest faced a horrifying fate. Rumors persisted of people who had gone missing, their screams echoing through the trees on moonless nights. Their mangled bodies would later be found, wrapped in webbing, drained of life. To this day, the forest of Willowbroke remains shrouded in darkness, a place where the widow's curse still holds sway. The townspeople avoid it at all costs, for they know that even the bravest soul who enter may never return, trapped forever in the web of the vengeful widow. As years passed, the legend of Eliza, the spider widow, grew. Her once human form had become a grotesque amalgamation of women and arachnid, her legs ending in venomous, razor-sharp tips. She moved with unsettling grace, lurking in the shadows of her burned-out cabin. Now a nightmarish lair, was said to be filled with thousands of spiders of all shapes and sizes. Some whispered that these spiders were her eyes and ears, and she could see and hear everything that happened in the forest. The locals avoided the woods at all costs, dreading the thought of encountering the cursed widow and her arachnid minions. However, curiosity and fear have a strange way of luring even the most cautious souls. One moonless night, a group of daring teenagers decided to test the legend. Armed with flashlights and trembling courage, they ventured into the forest, determined to uncover the truth about Eliza and her curse. Their flashlights pierced the inky darkness as they approached the burned cabin. The air grew colder, and the forest's eerie silence was deafening. Suddenly, a cacophony of scuttled legs echoed through the trees. The teenagers' hearts raced as they realized they were surrounded by countless spiders, their eyes gleaming in the dim light. And then, from the shadows emerged Eliza herself, her eyes glowing with an otherworldly malevolence. With lightning speed, she ensnarled the intruders in her web, their terrifying screams filling the night. She moved closer, her venomous fangs glistening in the darkness. The townspeople awoke to the distant cries, but they knew better than to intervene. The forest had claimed its victims once more, and the widow's curse remained unbroken. To this day, the legend of Eliza and her cursed forest continues to haunt Willowbroke, a stark reminder that some nightmares are all too real, lurking just beyond the edge of the known world, waiting for those foolish enough to seek them out. And this is how today's spooky set turned out. I really hope you all enjoyed today's story about the Willowbrook's widow curse. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.